Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix an Xref that is not showing or loading in your AutoCAD drawing. External references, or Xrefs, are one of the most useful features in AutoCAD. They allow you to attach external drawings to your current project without permanently inserting them into the file. However, sometimes an Xref refuses to appear, displays as unloaded, or shows a not found status. If you're new to AutoCAD, this can be confusing, but the issue is usually caused by a few common settings. Let's go through the troubleshooting process step by step. First, open the External References palette by typing Xref and pressing Enter. This palette shows all attached references and their current status. If the Xref displays a Not Found message, AutoCAD cannot locate the original drawing file. Right-click the Xref and choose Select New Path. Browse to the correct DWG file location and click Open. Once the path is updated, the Xref should reload automatically. If the Xref status shows unloaded, simply right-click the Xref and select Reload. This forces AutoCAD to load the reference into the drawing again. Another common issue occurs when the Xref is attached successfully but appears invisible. Type Zoom and press Enter, then type E for Extents and press Enter again. This zooms to all objects in the drawing and often reveals an Xref that was inserted far away from your current view. Next, check the Xref layers. Open the Layer Properties Manager and verify that the layers belonging to the Xref are turned on, thawed, and unlocked. If the layers are frozen or turned off, the Xref will not display even though it is loaded correctly. You should also check the insertion coordinates. Sometimes the referenced drawing contains geometry located far from the origin point, causing it to appear missing. Open the original Xref file separately and verify that the drawing content is positioned correctly. If the Xref still does not appear, type Regen and press Enter. This regenerates the drawing display and can resolve visual issues that prevent objects from appearing properly. Another thing to verify is the visual style. Switch to 2D wireframe using the visual style controls. Certain display settings can occasionally hide referenced objects or affect their visibility. You should also ensure that the Xref file itself is not corrupted. Open the referenced DWG file directly. If it fails to open or contains errors, run the audit command and repair any issues before reattaching the reference. Finally, save your drawing and close AutoCAD completely. After the program has closed, reopen AutoCAD and load the drawing again. During this process, AutoCAD reestablishes connections to external files, refreshes reference paths, and rebuilds drawing data in memory. If the Xref failed to load because of a temporary file access issue, a path synchronization problem, or a visual glitch, restarting the software can often resolve it automatically. By checking the Xref path, reloading the reference, verifying layer visibility, zooming to extents, and inspecting the source file, you can solve most Xref loading and visibility problems in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.